Yeah.
Allow them to record.
Ping it to Dhara. Yeah. Umar.
Okay.
Yeah, my email is there. Yeah, ping it to.
Yeah, Omek, I got your email.
Thank you.
Umar,
It's probably
ping it in the chat, Umar.
Yeah, that's what
probably
I'm doing right now.
Maybe
Yeah, do it.
compress it, zip it up or something.
Yeah, I compressed that thing. I will try like tomorrow, I guess. I'm
Okay,
not
thank
sure.
you very much. Appreciate it.
No problem.
I thought the recording will be in your mind, man. You don't need recordings, I thought.
I mean,
No,
this-
Kadir, we need it because we want to practice.
it's there, but small pieces here and there is missing. And I'm full asleep twice, so.
Okay. All right.
The second one is Umar, right?
Yes,
That's you.
Umar.
Yeah.
And
Always it's difficult to get. Always I key in Umar over there, but again I need to go back and look Umar's ID because he starts with some different name. Because what we do usually when we go to the Gmail or we use the person's first name, right? We use just,
yeah.
so we get the name. So again I need to verify always.
Okay, no, no, this is no.
Kadir, I'm through with this error, which
Good.
we are working on. That.
What was the problem?
That's what, like, when we are going to easy screen master data of vendor, there we have to confine our ID. They're somewhere there. I'm just playing around and I found that.
ID, what ID?
Vendor ID. We have to confine, right?
Confirm,
It's not
confirm.
going- Yeah.
So /n FD/FK02.
No, go to easy screen. Easy access, sorry. My bad.
Okay.
Go to vendor.
Master data?
Yeah, and yeah, that thing.
This one, huh?
Confirmations of change, yeah.
Uh-huh. So
Just
you gave the
put
vendor
my-
and you just saved data.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. But that's when I was trying to save that, when we are doing this FK08, it was that save button was not getting activated, no, at that time.
Yeah, but it's now working properly.
Okay, fine. Okay. Taxation, little bit tougher side. Okay. Which nobody likes to pay. Right.
Not here,
Okay.
but in India.
Gone those days. Okay.
That's true.
It's no more. You pay more than the taxes over here.
Here is more, I guess.
Here is more, but everybody pays it.
Have to have.
Tax on sales.
Okay.
What kind of a tax? Output tax.
SAP. CP.
Tax on purchases. Opposite of that. What is this?
Input.
Input tax. Correct or wrong? Right?
Just inputs.
Okay. So this taxation is based on, or let's say taxation is country specific. Agree? Every country has a different way of doing it. Okay. How does taxation gets calculated in US taxation? It is based on country,
County.
tax code. Yeah, I'm coming to that. And your jurisdiction, what you are telling now. Okay. But if you take most of the Asian countries, the taxation is based on country and tax code only. Right? Correct? Wrong? Hello?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Now how this is, and now I'm coming to the technical. How this is getting calculated when I say.
Jurisdiction,
This-
jurisdiction, you mean state, right? Or
Province.
Yeah, now what is jurisdiction? Okay, good.
Like
Jurisdiction. Was that Umar? Huh?
Yes. Like
State level?
Yes.
County level, city level, or some other taxes if there are any.
Yep.
4 levels you can have. The example can be New York. Tell some county in New York.
That's hard one for me.
Okay.
we're paying city tax actually in New York. We pay city,
You pay-
state and city tax, yeah.
Oleg, which country, which state you're from?
New York.
New York. Tell me the county.
Richmond.
Richmond. This Richmond will be available entire world, I mean, wherever we go. This is a common thing. I'm
Yeah.
seeing this. Okay. Pretty famous name I see. City. Tell some city
New
in
York.
Richmond.
It's New York actually.
County. State is not New York. Huh? State is the New York, right?
State New York and city New York.
City also New York. Okay.
Yeah.
Because there's no county maybe.
Okay.
It's Richmond.
Other is
No,
some.
it's Richmond. Staten Island in the Richmond County. It's different. It's out of 5 boroughs, 4 in Kings County, 1 in Richmond.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So like this, you will maintain the taxes on this. Okay. Whatever it is. Okay. These are by defaults. I'll show you. But these jurisdiction codes will be given. These are legal. That will be binded by the law of that land. They'll give it to you, the tax authority. Based on that, you will use those jurisdiction level. Okay. Now come back. How does this taxation works? Your taxation works based on your condition types. Okay. Hello.
What do you mean by condition type?
Now this condition type basically has some control parameters. This condition type. Okay. Now this condition type, when I say, first I said condition type, then Umar asked what is this condition type. Then I said condition type controls certain control parameters. Now what is this control parameters? What are these control parameters like in this condition type? Like condition class, which says it identifies the nature of the line item. Okay, let me show you that and this both together. Very important topic. Somewhere else look. Can you see this condition class?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now this condition class, this condition type, forget about this name and everything. This condition type has all these control parameters now. This condition type specifies the nature of the line item. That particular item is being used for taxes, calculation of taxes, discounts or what? Now for us it is taxes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So nature of the line item for us is taxes. Okay, now here next. How do you calculate taxes in US? Based on quantity. Okay, based on fixed amount. Weight wise do you pay taxes or percentage? Hello. How do you pay? Percentage. So next, calculation type, like based on percentage or what? Percentage. Next, this condition category, it signifies two things, okay, depending on the requirement. Now one, it signifies the jurisdiction levels. See here, remember we said one is for state, county, city, other taxes, right? Hello?
Yes.
This condition category. It specifies the what jurisdiction level the condition type is being used for. And level. This is the significance of a condition type. Condition type is doing nothing but it is trying to give you a control parameters on how this taxation should be maintained or calculated based on what and jurisdiction level. Clear? So how many conditions type do we need?
3.
1, 2, 3, 4 levels, right? These are 4, right? Hello?
Okay.
Right?
No, I didn't get this part. Why
No.
do you need 4?
Each condition type is used for calculation of the tax, right?
Yes.
With this you understood, right? Controlling, right?
Yes.
So state level 1 tax, county level 1 tax, city level 1 tax means each level I need to have one condition type, right? Umar?
Because if we take the example of New York City, for example, okay?
Now let us say I'll create one condition type. Let me create one. Okay, I'll say new entries. So let's say what's our company code? V701. You can name whatever you feel like, man. Now suppose this condition type I will use it for state level. So rather than putting that way, I'll say jurisdiction level 1, which is for state, right? V700, V7, something like that. Clear? Hello?
Okay.
So here, condition class, we are using it for what? Taxes, right? This one?
Mm-hmm.
As Dhara was saying, based on percentages that you calculate in US. So condition category, this is what level? First level, right? Level 1, right? That's what we said. State is first.
State level.
So here I'll say, which level? Jurisdiction level 1, like this. Okay, all these are optional. Okay, enter, see. So like this is for the state, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now next, see, once I save it, next is what now?
Country level.
V702. Next, county. Right now, let me put jurisdiction level. Jurisdiction level 2, county. Are you getting this? Hello?
Yes.
Save. Next.
Wait, should it be 2?
Should it
Go
get?
back. Go back, please, for a second.
Yeah. This one should be 2, right? 2, right, correct.
I have
Save.
to watch you, man. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. When I question, you don't answer.
Because your question is hard. Mine is easy, right?
Okay. Level 3, D. Easy doesn't help, man. Nothing is easy. Alright. 3.
I know.
3. See? 3 levels. Okay, enough. So we'll go till 3 levels. 4 level, all those you define it. Okay, I go till 3 levels over here. So now, what all we define in condition types? We define like this, right? V701 till 3 we define, right?
Yes.
3.
So should we take this for input tax or output tax, these 3? Let's say I'll take this for input tax. Okay, I need to define for output also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing. See, next V710 10. Again I'll say this one.
Khadir?
Jurisdiction level 1 for the state. D.
Khadir? How can we define is for incoming or out input or output tax?
I'll tell you. That will be defined at the tax type. This is just at the conditions. We are defining a conditions. That's it. Which helps me in calculation of my tax. Okay, whether it is input or output, that is controlled through a tax type.
So why not we are using that 1, 2, 3 for input and output both? We can define over there, no?
No, we need to keep it separate, no? Your percentages are different, right? For output and input, they are not same, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Okay,
Right.
yeah. Okay, I get it.
I'll save it. 1, 11, state. I'm going to level 2. D, A, 2. Save it. Next. Same. 12. Third level.
Hajir, just for information, is this only used for sales and purchases, or let's say if you pay in salary, are we calculating it also here, or is it in a different module?
You can use it for sales and purchases only. What we are doing.
No. But we making transaction for salary, right? Or it was just example?
That is what, that is you are deducting not taxes, that is TDS, right? Tax deducted on the source of your income. Those are different taxes, right?
Okay, so it's just only sales taxes, okay.
Sales and purchases.
Okay.
Okay. DA3, 3. So we have done for output also. V710 till. Hey Umar, clear till here?
Yes.
Okay. Now here this condition type we created, which is a calculation for this calculation of this taxes. Okay. Now I said US taxation is based on country, tax code, jurisdiction, right?
Yes.
Right. So your condition type, this condition type is linked to access sequence key. Your access sequence key is linked to condition tables. Okay. Your condition tables, whatever the condition tables, here this condition tables defines the rule or sequence in which the tax should be calculated. What did we say over here? Based on country, tax code, jurisdiction, right? Hello?
Yes.
Now let us see the access sequence key step by step. See, I go to this access sequence key. Make it a note, the default access sequence key is TAXJ. TXJ. I'll select this, see here. I'll select the access. This is a table, right? See. Hello? Table this is. So what did I say over here? Your access sequence is linked to a table. Your table is nothing but on what basis? Country, tax code, jurisdiction, right? With this combination, right? See here. Your US. In US it is calculated based on this combination. So that is what I said. Country, tax code. Now let's check for any Asian countries. Okay, clear this one?
Yes.
Okay. So for India, Amruta, Dhara and all those, see, we use this MWST. Axis. So what is the classification? I said country and tax code. That's it. Right?
Okay.
Clear now? Hello?
Yes.
Now see here, what did I say? This access sequence key is linked to what?
Condition type.
Did we link to condition type anywhere? We have not yet, right?
Not
No.
So what is our access sequence key?
tax J.
Tax.
TAXJ.
TAX,
J.
right? This is the one, right? People did not note down. TXJ.
Yes.
Okay. Now this TXJ I need to assign where? Link to where?
Access key.
Condition type, condition type.
Condition type is input.
Here, na? I need to link this. Did I link when I was creating?
No.
No.
Right? I did not, right? See? So I'll go to this. Again, I'll go back to my condition types. I'll go to that specific condition type. V701, right? This what, right?
Yes.
Tara?
Yes.
TAXJ, right? Sequence? Get the linking correct. Umar?
Yes.
See? So I'm linking those. Next to TXJ. Clear till here? Any questions? I created my condition type. This condition types are linked to access sequence key is nothing but the access sequence is consists of your condition tables. Okay, linked to, I should put it like this. It can be group also, many group of condition tables. That group of condition tables are nothing but rules or sequence in which the tax should be calculated. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now, whatever I have created, na, this condition types and this condition type, okay, this access sequence key linking is there, no? So to this condition type, okay, let me write it over here. This condition type is linked to account key. Your account key is linked to GL account. What GL accounts? What GL accounts? Remember output tax. Output tax or your input tax.
Okay.
This is how it is linked. So this condition type is linked to account key. Okay, account key is linked to the GL accounts, where all this combination, the condition types, account key, all this combination of the above is maintained in tax procedure. Clear? Not clear?
So you're gonna define the procedure.
This is getting harder, right?
No.
Hello?
No.
Okay. Tara?
Yes.
Amruta?
Yes. No. For the input tax, you just mentioned both, right? Tax
The
J
account
for
key.
both. Is
That
account
I'll come back. That I'm coming into it. Just understand the linking.
Okay.
Whatever I'm saying now, this linking you understand. If you are able to get this, once I do it in that now, you will get clarity on this. So let's see, I'm defining all the combination I maintain in tax procedure. Okay, so let me go to the tax procedure.
But just one question, Kadir, just to be clear. So you say this is going to be linked to the account key. The account key is linked to the GL accounts. Okay.
Right. Right.
So for instance, in accounting we have an account for taxes. So this account is going to be linked to the account key. The account key is going to be linked to the condition type. Right.
Correct. Perfect.
Okay.
Correct. Excellent. You got it. So all this linking, we do it in this tax procedure, whatever I shared in the above. See here. Now I'll create the procedure here. See. New entries. So I'll mention the procedure name as V700. This is not company code. So I'll say here tax PROCE procedure for V700. I'll save it. I'll select this V700. I'll click on this control data. New entries. Okay. Now what's this? This is like a variant. So here I am giving that all those combinations. This explain you what is this 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever it is. I'll tell you what is this. So tell me my condition types. V701.
Yes.
Right? V702.
2,
What else?
3.
That's it, huh?
3.
3.
Yeah.
V7,
10,
10, 11, and 13.
12.
We defined 13, huh?
Yeah. My bad.
3, 3, now we define.
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you see this? Okay, here. This is my account key. This tab. Now, if you want to assign state level one different tax, county level one different, I mean to say it should post to a different GL, state level should flow to a different GL, then you need to define different account keys. Clear or not clear? If you want to assign different GLs to this different taxes, then you create different account keys. Simple. So the default account key, this we are going to use for input, right? V70. Okay. So my default tax is account keys are VST for input. Note it down. So what do I mean by this? If I'm giving VST, it means I'm using a single GL, right? Hello? If I'm using VST1, VST2, VST3 means I'm gonna assign different GL accounts.
I didn't get this part, Kadir.
Okay. What you said just now, right? That account keys are linked to where? To the condition types. This
Yes,
account
I
key from the
understand that,
forward, from here you will link it to the GL accounts, right?
Yes, but by why VST? What is VST? What is exactly VST? I understand
VST is an account key. Account key. This is an account key. For example, I said over here, right? This link to an account key, right over here. Condition type. Hello?
You can assign any like 3-digit or whatever.
No, you can create your own. You can create your own account keys. I'm using a default account keys over here. I'll show you where you can create your own.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are default. Now here I said it is linked to account key. Like VST is an account key for input tax.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
MWS, this is for output tax, account key.
Okay.
Which output tax. Now what my question was, if you want to assign different GL accounts, then you create different account keys. Clear till here?
But you could also have one account key for different GL.
Yeah. No, one account key, how will you assign? It will give you an error, right? It will tell you it already exists. VST with that GL exists.
Okay.
Okay. Your account key also should be different. Your GL also should be different.
Okay.
Okay. Clear till here? Okay. Now this taxes, whatever it is there, this input tax, output tax, this should calculate on what?
Percentage.
No. What is the base for the calculation? There should be some base, right?
Jurisdiction.
No. Jurisdiction is, state level and all that. I'm telling the base. Base is when the sales happen, tax calculates, like sales. When purchases happen, that is the base. Huh?
Amount, right?
Amount, correct. Base. That is my base. So what I'll do is I'll take one default base condition type here. BASB. This is not a related to taxation or something like that. It is just a base condition type, base, amount, as you said. Clear?
But why you are using this one?
Base condition type?
Yes, we already create V701.
Yeah, V701 is for what? Calculating of?
The tax.
Input tax.
Yes.
Input tax. This
Yes.
input tax should calculate on what?
Amounts?
This is what I used, base condition for that.
So you always have to have it same, or if you have different bases for, then you have to create different procedures?
No, that base amount in the base condition type, you will decide, Oleg, whether it should include discount or whether it should exclude discount while calculating tax, right? Hello?
So what you are telling is,
I'm trying to understand what you're saying.
Now, for example, let's say I'm making a purchases, right? Purchases to vendor, we say, right? Whatever vendor it is. So if I'm doing 1000, this is my base, right? Hello?
Yes.
This should become a base for my calculation, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is what my base. Now this base, I might have calculated discounts also, right, on this?
Yes.
You have seen, right? So in the base condition type, you will specify, does it need to include discount? Does it need to exclude discount? All those. I'll show you in the base condition type. I'll show you the default. Open up and I'll show you.
Khadir, you are trying to tell us that if, like, when we are calculating tax, before discount and after discount, right? Okay.
No, he said what else do we do it in the base amount means is the base amount is the base on which the tax is getting calculated. Further in the control parameters you will say further, like whether it should include discount, whether it should exclude discount, and all those things you will tell over here.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
confusing.
I understand what you're saying, but I just don't understand why we already have a condition type. Why in the condition type like V701, for example, the system can use, I mean, this condition type, why it needs to use the first one, BSB? I mean,
Okay,
I
just for a
understand the
time
meaning
being,
of
Umar, just for a time being thing that is for the base amount, that's it. Okay,
okay.
think that way. While postings I'll show you how it reflects. Okay,
Okay.
now this is the base, na? Now you tell me this tax should be calculated on what amount? Hello, Oleg?
On
Purchase,
base?
This tax, input tax, should be calculated on what amount?
Base?
Base amount, correct? So I'll give here 10, 10. It means I'm calling this step here.
Okay.
What is from and to or something?
Yeah, from and to this is.
Okay.
okay, I understand now.
Clear?
Okay, I understand now.
Now this is state level, right, Oleg?
Yes.
Now I'll tell you the significance of this from and to. Now I want to calculate for the county level also, right?
Yes.
So now for the county level, should I calculate on the base amount or should I calculate on the state amount?
State.
Base?
Base amount.
Base. So I'll say 10, 10. County. Acha, level 3 also we gave county. That is city actually. 10, 10. Okay? 10, 10, right? Oleg?
Yes. All of them 10, yeah.
10, 10. But if you come to India, this is not the way, man.
Yeah.
I'll tell you why. What will happen, Dhara, for your understanding. For example, let's say I have V715. Okay, this will calculate my VAT, right? You know VAT, right? Hello.
No.
Okay, V76
Yeah.
value added tax.
Value
Then you have education cess. Remember? Then you have V717. You have higher education cess taxes. I don't know whether you recollect or don't know. You just pay and go. That's it. You don't watch even the bill.
Of course not.
So that is a problem.
because
that
we
is
are
a dollar. Because you pay in dollars, na, so you don't like to see that.
exactly.
Okay. Now let's say VAT is 10% of 1000 means how much?
100.
100. Okay. So what you will give here? My base amount is 1010, right? I'm calculating on this base amount. Now education says should be calculated on VAT. 5%. What should I give? 5% on VAT means how much?
On
2%, 20%,
5, no? 5% on VAT.
20.
5.
No,
5.
5. Yeah.
on VAT.
5%
Come on, man.
on VAT.
10% is 1000. 1000 on 10% is 100. You people only said just now, right? So again I said education says should be 5% on VAT. So 5%
No,
on VAT means
I was thinking 900, 5% of 900.
no, you can do that way also. Now you tell me 5% on VAT means what should be this? Oleg? Umar?
80.
Now you understood from and to means?
But what would be the scenario when it's different, when from and to are not equal?
No, from and to.
I didn't get that 80-80.
Now that is what I'm telling you. This 5% should be calculated on what? VAT, na?
VAT, yeah.
So you call this VAT here, 80-80.
80.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Umar?
I'm just trying to understand scenario when from and to are
Yes.
different things.
From and to?
Yeah, they're not equal. What would be the
It's nothing
scenario
but you're
when-
calling that step. You're calling that step.
Yes, I understand, but so what I'm saying is there is scenario when you put one number into from and another number to to, or it's always
Yes.
to be the same.
Yes.
So what would be the scenario, for example?
That's what I'm telling you. The scenario I'm giving it over here. When you want to calculate tax on the VAT, then you will say 80 to 100. Okay. Now I will say please calculate education cess on VAT and education cess. Higher education. This particular tax should be calculated on VAT and education cess both. So what should I give here?
80 to 90.
80 to 90.
Clear now?
Okay.
Wait, what if they're not in the sequence?
1 second. What's so early in the morning, man? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yep.
Come back, break is over.
We are here. We are not. You took a break.
I took a
So
break.
Khadir, question was they will have to be always in sequence, right? Because you cannot say I want to take taxes on number 30 and number 60, but skip 40 and 50. They have to be sequential, right?
You can keep 1, 2, 3, 4. You can keep 100, 200, 300. You can keep A, B, C, D, whatever you feel like on the step. This step is basically, yeah, I'm coming to that. This step basically you are trying to call this step for the calculation of the tax, how it should be calculated.
Right.
Like if you say the state level tax, okay, is calculated on the base amount, but the county level should be calculated on the state level. Whatever the amount you got on the tax, please calculate on that amount, means 2020. Okay, city
so
level should be, yeah.
What would I put if I need to calculate some tax on state level plus county, but level 1 and level 3, but I have to skip level 2? What should I do?
Okay, now if you wanted to calculate on the state level and this county level, that should be calculated.
No, next one. 20 and 40, but I want to skip 30. Skip the
20
and
20 and 40.
But skip 30.
You want to use 20 to 30 also, it will not come. Then you need to take this V703 up and down. Hello?
Okay, so what I'm saying, they have to be, you somehow have to make it sequential, right? You cannot skip something. So you have to somehow organize.
This is sequence, this sequence you're talking about.
Okay.
This one. Okay. So I'll just save this. Everyone good to go on this? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So this is V700. Everything is stored in this V700. Okay. I have to show you account keys now. Back. Okay, back. So whatever we create, we assign it to what? Hello?
Calculation procedure.
Whatever we create, we assign to what? Country. But this time it is country. Always we used to assign it to the company code, right? So taxes, the last interview question, taxes are always calculated at country level, not at company code level. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you are, suppose you are practicing on this system, Oleg will go and give his procedure over here. And Dara keeps on trying, hey, my tax is not getting calculated, my taxes. No, the procedure is changed. One person at a time can do it from the training perspective. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? Dara?
Okay.
V700. Now here, that account keys. This is where you can define your own account keys here, see. Position, the account key VST here. So what is the tax type here?
2.
Tax type 2.
What does it say?
Input tax.
So it is your tax type that decides whether it's an input tax or whether it's an output tax.
Okay.
Okay. So when we say here, when you ask, like Amruta, Dhara, you were asking, how does it decide, right? Whether it's an input or an output, it is decided through a tax type. Okay. So your account key is a combination that decides with a tax type and a posting indicator. Now, do you want that to be posted as a separate line item or no? You want the tax, right, to be posted as a separate line item, right? Like when we were saying, right, purchases to vendor, the tax should come, right, separate line item? Or it should not. That depends. So you use this. Similarly, we have used one more. Now like this you will define, like this you will say, you will define one more. VS1, VS2, VS3 if you are using different GL accounts. MWS.
Nadir, one question about when we assigned our tax whatever procedure to country, right? So we assign US to whatever V700 to the procedure.
Okay.
But we have in US we have different states, right? So we have to assign probably how do we assign it to different states? I mean, it's one country, but it's different procedure going to be, right?
Country wise it will go, whatever country. It is always goes by the country, no? Not by the state level.
But
It's a country.
Right, but we have different states there, right? So, okay.
No. That state level is controlled by the jurisdiction, condition type. Hello, I'll tell you.
Okay, yeah, we'll have to see it probably. Okay.
Yeah. This is country level, at the highest level, on the top level. You're talking below country level. You're saying New York, okay, New Jersey, like this. You're asking, right, Oleg? Hello?
Yes. Okay, it's country level. Okay, I got it. It's country.
Yeah, you're talking below that. I'm coming to this. So clear on the tax account keys? Hello?
Yep.
It is your account keys that are defined based on tax type and posting indicator. Tax type says whether it's an output tax or whether it's an input tax. Posting indicator, whether you want it to post in a separate line item or you don't want to post in a separate line item. Now coming to the jurisdiction code. Right, see here, make it a note somewhere. This is the default jurisdiction code, tax USJ, default one.
Khalil, I have a question. You are showing us that this is the default one, but how can you know is the default one?
How do we know which belongs to what? Huh?
Now, how do we know this is a default? That default.
This one, huh?
Yes.
The country specific, no man. These are USJ. USJ.
How can we recognize that thing is the default and is somebody is created?
No, here it is giving no standard.
Oh, okay.
US is the country name?
Canada, Brazil.
Okay.
These all actually I copied it. I'll just show. I'll show you the creation one. No? That is better off. No? See, I'll show you this. Select this. This is the default one. Okay, here. Now see here. What it says. First one is 2, right? 2. This is level 1. This is level 2. This is level 3. We defined only 3 levels, right, Oleg? Dara?
Yes.
So for example, I'm just putting it over here, so don't think that way. Okay, now here, see, for example, 2, na? So I'll say, let's say, Dara, your state, which state?
Elena?
Okay, IL. 2, gone, right? 3 is for county. What is your county?
DePage.
D?
DePage. It's DE space PAGE.
So how much is there? 3. So I have DEP, I say.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the 4th city?
Carol Stream. CARL. Short form like this. Now how do I put this is, my first level will be IL 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your Illinois, what you said just now, right? Next, IL DEP 1, 2, 3, 4. DEP, right? So one more 0 comes here, I think. Yeah,
How many zeros?
was-
Yeah, okay. So this is your whatever county you said.
DePage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you understand, you able to get what the 2, 3, 4 is saying? Hello?
Yes.
This is your city, whatever city you said. Carol.
Carol Stream.
Okay. Now this is my state, this is my county, and this is the city.
Is it basically what it says? It's the length of the string.
Yeah. Now here, this is what the naming convention. First 2 digits will be considered for the state, 3 will be for the county, 4 will be for the city.
So, but it's 2 plus. It's so second one will start after first 2. Then
Yes.
the third one will sum up the first 2 and start from the third one. Okay.
Fifth, yeah. After 5, it will start the 4 like this. 2 plus 3, 5, 5. The next one.
Okay.
So the default ones these are. I'll show you how they looks like. See here. Define tax jurisdiction now. What is the default one? TAX USJ, right?
Yes.
Enter. Here. We'll go to first Illinois where she was there. IL. So this is state, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have Chicago over there.
Yes.
See. Okay.
So this
See,
is the structure.
This is the structure. They give you cannot define whatever you feel like. See here. Like Ohio is there. See, Ohio is the state. Columbus is there.
Mm-hmm.
That, like this. See, you have your PA. PA stands for your Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, yeah.
Philadelphia comes there. Allentown, Seacane, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. In Texas, you have Dallas, Houston,
Houston, yeah. Virginia,
right?
yeah.
Okay, these are all, you know, these are defaults.
Mm-hmm.
So what we'll do is we'll define our own. First, I'll define the tax jurisdiction code. New entries. Let's say V700 I'm defining. Tax jurisdiction. So what did we say? First is 2, next is 3, next is 4, right? Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Correct? Naming convention. Back. So let us define the one she said. Define tax jurisdiction. V700. Enter. New entries. So I'll say IL 1, 2, 3 gone for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is Illinois. Okay. Next. I don't know the spelling, man. Maybe you will
Double L.
correct or?
It's just double L.
Okay. Next is DEP. That is what we said, right?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3,
2, 3,
4.
4.
Spell it. DE.
Space PAGE.
Okay. This looks like a French word. page. Okay.
Do you have to have IL Illinois in the first 2 when you define the second one? I mean,
Then how will it understand that it falls under this state?
Then why? Okay. Okay. Cool.
IL DEP CARL, right?
Mm-hmm.
Carolina.
Carol, no. Carol, then space stream. STREAM. M.
Okay. Done. So see, this is how it will identify. It falls under this. So IL, whatever county, this you can keep on doing like this. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Hello. This will be there. They'll give you how to define. You'll use those.
Okay.
Next, calculation. Now we define the tax codes. Tax codes are defined with what combination? A tax procedure is set on what? Based on country, jurisdiction, tax code, right?
Tax code.
Yes.
Tax code. Now I'm defining one tax code. Country, it is already asking US, right? See US. Enter. So define whatever tax code you want to define. I'll define V1. For jurisdiction IL 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0101 2014 from there. So this is for what? Let's say this is for input tax. Right?
Mm-hmm.
V700. What's the tax type now? Input, right? Input. Continue. So in the tax code you will maintain the percentages. So we said input is VST, right? See, it is coming for the state level. This is Illinois. So this will have 10% tax. Correct? Save it.
Wow.
Why, Kadir?
Uh,
Can you just go back?
yeah, I'll go again inside.
Okay.
Let's say I'm defining it for now DEP at the county. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Here I'll say 5%. Tell, what is this?
Okay. So when you are in the state level, you see it's in gray. That means you cannot write in it, right? But
Obviously, this is belonging to the county level, so this
Yes.
county tax.
Yes, but why in the bottom, like the level 2 country V7?
This one
Yeah.
you're saying, huh?
Yes.
No, this is for output. Now we need to assign it for input, no?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Save it. Now again see here. CARL. Getting this? Hello?
Yes.
2%. Make it a note somewhere. For input we have assigned this percentage, so that you get a clarity how it is calculating. Save. Okay. So, oh sorry. So everything I give it on the V1 only. Okay, let me take another one. V7 I'm taking. I'll use this for input tax so that it will not be any confusion for you. Input tax, state level. V. Enter. Okay, let's say. Okay. Define tax codes. US. Let me start again with V1. Okay, 10%. V1 10% state level. Make it a note. Done, Zara. Amruta. V1 write like this. V1 input Illinois 10%. Okay. Okay. Let me change this date. Save. So I'm going to again V1. I want to remove that, which I've done it for. So now I'll use this V2. V2 is for county. Hello. Same input tax, that was for state level. This is for county. V, enter. So 5%. Make it a note. V2 input. Okay. First I want to remove that V1. I gave the wrong ones. Remove this. Save it. So V2, now V3 for this. Now it is city. So how much we maintain state level? Hello?
3.
Is it county?
State level how much?
Is it county you're
10.
calling? 10 is for country.
10%,
I told you to note down, man.
5%, and 2%.
5%.
2%. And tax codes is V1,
V1, V2, V3.
V2,
V2.
V3. These are all input, right? Input tax. Similarly, I'll maintain output also. So for this, I'll say 15%, 7%, 4%. I'll take this as V3. Settle down. Hello. V4, V5.
Yeah. You have to take V4, 5 and 6, na? Because you already mentioned
Yeah,
V3
correct.
over here.
Anyway, it throws an error also if you go into it.
That's true.
V5, V6. This is an output. Okay, I'm doing it only for the one state. Like this, you have to, they'll define so many states on that. V4. And this is done in the production client directly. This is output tax. So A, continue, 15%. Here or here? Where?
Bottom one.
15%.
WS.
Save it. V5. COUNTY, county. Tax type. Be careful with the tax type. 7%. Save it.
This A and V is input output, right?
A is for output. I'll show you. I'm getting in.
Yeah. Yeah.
City level. Here. A is output. 4%. Save it. Clear till here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have defined this. Now what we have to do next is we need to assign our GL accounts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hello. So we need to create two GL accounts. One is for output, one is for input. FS00. So V700, I'll create 1001, create the liability, current liability, balance sheet, your output tax, control data, tax categories here. Be careful here with the assignment of tax category. Here you should say here. Now what is the tax? Output tax account, right? This is?
Yes.
Select this. Output tax. Even without tax, posting should be allowed. Use this. Open item, line item.
Kadir,
Yeah.
because when you go to the tax category, right, okay, you have only input tax, only output tax allowed, and you have the other one.
Yeah, this we will use it. I'll show you. Next I'll use. Next in the next GLs I'll use. Umar.
Okay. Okay.
This is account. It says clearly, see. Output tax account, it says account. This is an account.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
G001. I save it. Then I'll create one more for the input tax, other side of an asset. I need to change the descriptions. Input tax. Control data. Account changes. Now this is the input tax account. Okay. And this also changes to assets. Save it. Okay. Now coming to your question. So we make output tax based on sales, right? 3 series, right? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
So here in the control data, you write down here tax category. What kind of a tax is allowed? Only output, right?
Yes.
Select here. Only output tax. Postings without tax allowed. Save it. Now for purchases, right?
Yes.
Now what kind of a tax type for purchases?
Output.
Output we done, na? Sales. Input this is.
Yeah, this is input.
Save it. Okay. Clear? Umar?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you create
Particular,
a new GL account.
yeah, a particular GL where only what kind of a tax is allowed you are mentioning to that GL.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us assign those. So I come back to that. Here, define tax accounts. So tax accounts are assigned to what? Assigned to? Hello, Oleg.
GL account. Account.
GL accounts are linked to what?
Account key.
Input.
Account key. So what is our account key for input?
VST.
Go to VST like this here, VST.
Mm-hmm.
Continue. Just save it. So assign here. Input 201001. Save it. Back. What is for output?
W.
MWS.
Okay.
Okay, MWS. Save it. Done. So this is how we assign it. I wanted to show you the base condition type. The one which I've assigned it. The default one which I picked up. BASB. See here. So this base cash discount is, it is base, see here, condition category, base amount. It's based on the fixed amount, calculation type. Okay. Okay, let me test you. We'll get clear picture on this now. Okay, now I'll test this posting an F-43 invoice. So it should calculate what tax? Hello?
Purchase
Input.
vendor.
Input tax, correct. So I'll go to F-43 here. So posting an invoice.
Why is input? We pay into vendor, right? We pay in taxes
Purchase.
on the purchase, so it's output
Yeah.
taxes, right?
No. Sales. When you sell, that is an that's an output tax. Correct?
No, but it's not a vendor, right? We sell to customer. That's a
When you sell to customer, that is an output tax. When you are purchasing, it is always an input.
So it's input taxes, not output. You said it's output taxes. It's input taxes. When we say purchase to vendor, we get input tax. Output taxes. Purchase to vendor. We pay into vendor, so we pay in taxes on the purchase, right?
Yeah, we are paying purchase, but that's considered as an input tax. So why do we call that as an output tax when you are collecting from the customer? Because we need to pay it back to the government, right?
Okay, this way. Okay.
Okay, 1,000. Correct. Okay. If that scenario works, that is very good, man.
Cash only.
Yeah, it's very good. Everybody will enjoy. Okay, 4,000. Enter. 1,000. Now you tell me, what should the tax code I should use?
$10.
Tax codes we define now here. V1, 2, 3.
V1.
You want to calculate state level, you want to county level, city level, whichever level. So let's say V1. IL 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
If we want to calculate more than like one level, then we can do it right now.
More than one level, I
Tax
did not
code.
understand.
Tax
You
code.
want to-
I'm talking 3
You want to
levels.
calculate 10 plus 5, you're saying?
V2.
Yeah, like all
So you
together.
so you give V1, this one, V1, this one then. Hello.
I didn't get that thing.
When you create a
You
tax code,
usually pay
V1,
taxes on everything.
10%. Huh?
Don't you pay tax? Can you pay multiple taxes, state and county? How you specify multiple taxes?
I don't know, she's asking that way.
Yeah.
She's asking that way, so I just said, you go to FTXP, you have to remember this transaction. This is the transaction where you create a tax codes.
Correct.
Hello. So in FTXP, you give here V1. Okay. This city. You give 10%.
Okay.
Then you give again V1 only. You don't change this. How much? 5%.
5%. Okay.
So what you will give? V1 only you will give here, right? Right.
Okay.
Okay. Or else what you can do, remember you go into that procedure, then we gave here, right? 10, 20. Condition type. There you will give 10 to 20.
Okay.
Forgot? Conditions.
Okay. Okay. I got it. Yeah.
In this procedure, V700, both, you want this both, no? Calculate over here, so you give 10 to 20.
Okay.
10 to 20. So this amount, it gets calculated and come here for you.
Okay.
Combination.
Okay.
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 Come back. But I don't think they do it that way over there. Okay. Document, I'll simulate. Yeah, what it is, how much is the percentage? 1000 means how much?
900 something.
It should be 10%, right?
100, no?
10%. Yeah.
Yeah, 100.
Right. 1000 means 100, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
But it is selling 90.91, man. What is this?
Some discounts?
No discount. 1000
10%.
into 10 divided by
Divided by
110. 90.90. Why 110?
Base.
Inclusive. This is, the tax is included in this 1000. Hello?
Yes.
The tax
Okay.
is included in this 1000, na? This is correct, na?
Okay. So that 100
okay.
plus 10.
When you pay, you were purchasing, the purchases were of 909 only. The remaining was tax, so it mounted to 1000.
Yeah, but
When you purchase, you just know the amount. You don't know the taxes in a particular state, right? So how would person would enter anything if he just get base amount basically? How do we know it's with taxes?
How does they enter the tax amount, you're saying?
If I call to my vendor and vendor says here is an invoice, whatever it is, it costs you $10,000. So
Yeah.
I'm trying to pay $10,000 plus whatever taxes specified for this particular unit. How would I know that this is what the taxes is? I just get invoiced for $10,000, right?
Okay, fine. I got your point. Can you see? Go to this editing options over here. Select this. Calculation taxes on net amount here. Save it. Back. Okay. Slash n f dash 43. Oh, 030. Enter 1100. Calculate tax 40. 1000 V1 document. Correct? Is this correct? This is the way you say, Oleg?
No.
Why?
Oh, because okay. So if I say I'm selling you one piece of something and it costs $1,000. How would you pay me $1,000? I'm a vendor, should get $1,000.
So vendor will give you an invoice, right?
Right.
So in the invoice, what will be there? Amount?
Oh, so you're saying he
That's
should
tax.
give invoice with already taxes, but what if
Yeah, what if he?
I mean, can it be invoiced without taxes?
No,
Yeah,
I mean, usually they always have taxes on it.
Okay.
Always.
So this is like a net amount where you are saying, I want to post this way. You will decide. Just now I thought you will decide the tax amount from your end. Then you will let the system calculate. So I put the entire amount. This is as a net amount over here.
Yeah, but we have to know that is entire amount including taxes. What if I don't know the taxes? I know.
No. The vendors have to send with the tax invoice. Oleg.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. Maybe there is possible scenario in your life when you just know amount and then you have to just.
Acha, if there is no tax, you are saying, right? If there is no tax at all, you are saying.
No, you have to calculate taxes on your side. If you don't know, if vendor didn't give you invoice, if you just pay, then you have to calculate taxes on your side.
If the vendor is giving a bill without a tax, then you take for an exemption. Exemption. Hello.
Okay, so you're saying there is no possible scenario when I don't know taxes up front, I just pay, I know the cost of the goods without taxes, and I have to calculate taxes on my side and pay amount plus taxes.
Now let's see, you are telling that a vendor has given an invoice without a tax. Okay. Hello.
Yes, I
So
have to pay someone $1,000.
No, for example, yeah, I got your point. Now first I want to make you understand that vendor has sent us an invoice, there is no tax into it. Okay. So I am creating one more tax code V9, enter. This is again my input tax, state level, which is exemption, V. So I'll give here 0%. I'll save it. Okay, the first scenario, what you said. I got an invoice. F-43. Enter. 1000, calculate. 40. 40, 1000. 1000. V9. Simulate. No tax, see? Now, your question is that you have to calculate, no, right? Oleg?
Yes.
Now he has given the invoice, now you need to calculate, you should know what tax it should be calculated. That is what your question is, right?
Yes.
So if you have to calculate the tax, what you have to do it at your end, you should be aware what tax has to be taken into at the Illinois.
Right, and we already defined them in our system, right?
Yeah, then pick up that one. If it is a state level, you give state level. If it's a county level, you give county level. If it's a city level, you give city level.
I agree, but every time we done, it was subtracting those. So I'm saying there is some vendor in Illinois. I have to pay him $1,000 plus the taxes, whatever it is. So I have to manually calculate it in. I want a system calculate, not me sitting somewhere calculating. I want a system calculated for me.
Okay. Now see here.
But on piece of paper and calculate how much is 10%.
The system, it should get calculated. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes. I just know the net amount and I want a system to add the taxes on top.
Yeah, that is what the system is doing. Na? See, from your end you're saying, right? Got it. Now on this 1000, the system should calculate automatic tax, right? That is what you, right?
Yes.
So like this, I got your point. Now if you say, let's say, I got your point, slash and F-43, I go here, you get here, but usually you don't get that way, man. Anyway.
I didn't know,
1000, 40, so invoice is of 1000 only, right?
Yeah.
1000, So it should get calculate tax also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how much it should get calculated? See here. Document. It is deducting. Oh, sorry. We selected net amount. Now we need to remove that. Okay, remove. $43. Again, I need to do that. Sorry. So on this 1000, the system should calculate 10%, right? Oleg?
Yeah, it should. My goal was to add 10%.
Add the tax. Then if it has to add the tax, then go for that net procedure and manually you need to enter. No way other way around is there.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so this is about the input. The same way you will do it for your output also. F-22, other way around. Hey Omar, you are getting this now? Hello?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay. Same way, nothing difference. Same 1000, calculate tax. So instead of this, this will be sales. So this will change. V4. Only input tax is allowed, it seems, for V4. So we made a mistake in the sales.
It should be output tax.
Let us check. We selected correct, no? Your output. So let us look at the account.
Maybe you take the wrong tax code.
Yeah, maybe I made it over here. Yeah, output tax account. So V4, right?
Yes, I think
Let
before
us
the
look
problem.
at the tax code. FTXP US V4. I gave 15%. Okay. OB40 MWS. Correct. Now you should get. F-22. Got it? Okay. 15%. Okay, this was all about the taxation part. Okay, so tomorrow, is it possible for you people to join an hour early? Nobody's answering.
I'm fine with it, Kadir. I'm fine with it.
Okay. Hour early. Whatever time you are joining now, Oleg, The time what you're joining is what's the time now? What's the time you're joining at your end?
9:30.
So it is 8:30.
Okay.
Okay, Sri, you're fine?
Yes, Kadir, I'm fine with it.
Okay, Dara?
Yeah, it would be fine, I guess. It's
guess
early for me.
Okay, Amrita?
Yeah, sure. I can.
Umar?
Yes.
What's the time you join, Umar?
9:30.
Oh, 8:30 then that is for you. That's fine, no? That should be?
Okay.
Okay. So see you tomorrow. So I'll be taking...
Kadir, yesterday I told you that I have one question for you. regarding
you are
your-
on the system now?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Alright guys, so if somebody wants to leave, they can leave. I'm just solving her issue. She has got some issue or somebody wants to see, they can. It's up to them.
Okay, and please send the recording. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, Dara.
I will try.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I will
Dara.
try. Okay.
Thank you, Dara.
Bye.
Okay, thank you, Dara.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah, share the screen.
Bye, everybody.
Just a second. I'll log in just a second, Kadir. I'll log in first and then.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, Kadir. Good night.
Alright, Dara. Right.
Bye, Kadir.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
This one. Here I'm getting error. I mean warning. Hello.
Yeah. Make that screen bigger.
Okay, sorry. Actually, I was here.
Okay. Hold on. Don't do anything. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay. Go to edit.
Edit.
Proposal. Delete.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Run the proposal.
This one, right?
Yeah. Okay. One second. Go to the parameter. Okay, back. Go to edit. Parameter. Delete. Go to parameter. Give the date 07. Go back.
Here.
Back. Yeah.
Just.
Yeah, go back. No.
No.
Give 07. 07. Give 07 date.
Oh, sorry.
Back. You need to go back.
No, I can't.
07. Parameter. Company code. Fill up. Company code, method, vendor. Give backspace. Yes. You'll get, yeah. Company code also. You go there. Company code.
Okay, here.
Below. Payment method. Whatever it is. Next payment date where you're running.
07.
Whatever. 08 or something. Whatever you feel.
Is still okay with the 07?
Yeah. Fine. Now go to addition, copy that, copy vendor. Okay, go to additional log once. Additional log. Okay, that is you are giving my company code over there, A500.
No, it's V700 is yours. Mine is V.
Next posting date. Go and give 8th over there.
Here?
Okay. Enter. Enter. Okay. Save.
Same.
Posting date is in the past. Why it is telling past? 1 second. Posting date is in the past. Okay, open up one more screen. Just give F-02. Oh, it is 8th for you. Okay.
So I need to post the.
So you are going as per India only. Okay. Go back to that screen. Go back to that screen. No, Alt tab. Just use Alt tab on your keyboard.
I never used it. I just minimize it.
Okay, here you have it in the bottom, no? Automatic.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, here.
Click on that. Okay. Now you click on F110 /n. F110. Give 8th. 8. Just change to 8. Go to parameter. Give same company code, payment method, next payment date, and all.
Next payment.
9 you give. 9.
Okay.
Give the vendor. Go to additional log.
Vendor.
Yeah. 4000031. Yeah. Select that. Line item display I want to see. Line items of payment document. Payment method in all selection cases use. Yeah. Come back to save it. Save it. Okay. Come back to status. Okay. Run the proposal.
Start immediately.
Start. Just refresh. Yeah, once more refresh. Okay, go to the log. Go to the log. Right side, first one. Yeah, over there only on the top. Right. Proposal. Where you see a proposal.
This one.
Not that one. Beside that. Proposal only. Just beside that there is proposal, right? With a
This is
proposal.
additional,
No, not here. Proposal. Where do you see proposal?
Oh, this one.
No. That beside that one more proposal. Let's see.
This
Click on that. Yeah, log. That is log. That will give you all the information. Is there any errors or something? See, here you need to see what errors you are seeing.
I just have to scroll down up and down.
Yeah, 1 second. Payment method selection. Payment method selection for due is 13,000. N is checked. Okay. Payment consumer. Okay, go back. Not permitted payment method exists. I don't know. Go to that proposal. Again, beside that there is one with a spectacles. Yeah.
So this is the same error I was getting, like.
Double click on that. Double click. What you did, above one. Above one.
Here?
Double click on that. Yeah. At the time of the posting, you have not entered the payment method. Okay.
No.
Double click on any one. One more. Double click.
Payment method is not.
No, it is not selected. Close this all. Close it.
No, Khadir,
Back.
I assigned it for the earlier one. Today I created these documents.
No, no, no. Let us finish this now. Don't do anything. Go back. While creating the invoice, back, you have not assigned the payment method.
No, let me tell you, these three documents I just created to check it or resolve the problem. When I was created, like you created, 7,000, 3,007. For that I assigned N payment method. But
Okay, fine. That's fine. Let finish this. Edit the proposal. Go to edit the proposal. Edit. Yeah, that is editing.
enter.
Continue.
Double click.
Double click on this. Double click individual. This is manual. You need to double click. Now click on reallocate below. Reallocate. Below is there, no? Beside choose cash discount, reallocate. Yeah.
Payment method here I have to assign.
Now you select N, your house bank, below your house bank and account ID. The combination should be right.
Yes, I selected the current. Yes.
Continue. So let's make only one payment. See, continue.
Okay.
Let's make only one. Okay. Save it. Back. See, it's shown in green now. Only 1,000 can be paid now. Go back. Run the payment run. Refresh it. Correct?
Yes, correct.
Now you look at the payment log. Look at the log. Yeah, that. Payment done, 1,000?
Yes.
With the document number, see? Okay, back. Okay, now you know the check print, right? You know to do that, right?
Yeah, the next step I will try to do that.
Okay,
But
that you try. Is this because you are not entering the payment method at the time of invoicing?
No, Khadir, I sorry to say you because these documents I just created just before the class. The one which I was telling, those were like earlier ones which I have assigned N for it.
Okay, show that documents. Go to FBL 1N.
For one I assigned, for two I assigned it.
So it should click now or there then?
I don't know, I did it.
Company code. Okay. Okay. Which is the one? No, that is not the one.
Just a second, I cleared it actually.
So cleared it means it will not come, na? You first you try to post an invoice with the document, payment method, then you run the F110, it will do it for you. Okay?
The only open items will get cleared. If it is
only open items will get cleared.
Okay. Yeah.
Because you are issuing a check also, no? It gets cleared and also you will issue the check. Both the things you will do it in F110.
Okay. So instead of F does 53, we should do in the automatic payment method.
Exactly. But when we were doing F-53, we were doing manually. F-53, then I was issuing a check, FCH5 manually. Now, no more manual. This F110 not only clears the payment, also issues the checks. Both the things it does.
Okay, so we can do it for a like bunch of invoices too.
Yeah, that is the reason main. The main reason is in a given company there will be not one vendor, hundreds of vendors will be there.
Okay.
Okay, they'll give the range at one go, they'll clear it, and the one go from the printer the checks will come. Okay, and they'll keep a digital signature also. They don't need to sign it also. Everything will be done. So in the template, so automatically the checks will come.
Okay.
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 All right.
Okay. Thank you, Kadir.
Thanks. All right.
See you. Bye.